Here we have a 65 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £9,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the BMW Icon adaptive LED headlights. We also have the M Sport Plus package, 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the gloss black front grills. We also have the full performance kit on this vehicle, which includes the carbon fibre front splitter, and there's a look at the front end. Walking around to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We also have the carbon fibre on the rear spoiler just here. If we take a closer look, the camera should be able to pick that up. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the carbon fibre on the rear diffuser as well, with the F1 style light in the centre. Dual exit Cobra exhaust. Taking a look inside of the boot, so just open it up like so, you find we have plenty of space inside of here. Does go quite far back. Got the storage pockets on either side as well. Handle underneath here so we can pull it back down. Then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior, inside of the back first you find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, Harman Kardon sound system, and also electric windows on the doors. Same full leather interior at the front, and both the front seats are heated. There's a look at them front seats. Again, the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you find the dashboard here in front of us, digital screen in the centre. Put a foot on the brake, press your start button and the vehicle will turn on. Just turn the volume down. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side, high beam assist here on this stalk, auto wipers on that stalk, and as you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we do have the main infotainment screen in the centre. It's currently showing the radio. We also have plenty of features on here. Shortcuts are down here, so click onto media. Then you'll find the media options just here with the CD player, external devices and the sound just there. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the sat-nav navigation. Now if any of the screens or lights are flickering, it is just the camera. It's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Further down you'll find we have the climate control, got the heated seats on either side and the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do, as you can see. We do have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. So if you press on to the drive modes, you find the Eco Pro. We have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus drive mode. Let's just keep it in comfort though. Put the car into reverse, you find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. If you just put it back into park like so. Got the manual handbrake just here and the leather armrest which has extra storage inside. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. A video test drive of this BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, we now have to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speed limiter buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right, paddle shifters on either side if you want to set the car into manual mode and change the gears yourself. We've got the dashboard in front of us. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible in this vehicle, and if you do listen carefully, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do also have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle. The seats are very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for these cold winter mornings. We do have plenty of features in this vehicle, £9,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav, also has plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos. Below there we have the dual zone climate control, we've got the air-scored air conditioning as well, perfect for the hot summer days. And we do also have the automatic gearbox, which has all the different drive modes as well. Now in a moment we're about to take a right hand turn, so we've put our right indicator on, start to slow down before making the right hand turn, just wait for this traffic to pass. So wait for these two cars to pass and then I'll make the right hand turn onto the industrial park and then perform an emergency stop. So taking the right hand turn and then performing an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen, put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries of you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.